Okay guys, Cardi and Cardi again guys, back again with part 2 of this video, the Skar Vxf 15D4, but it's going to be a D2 after I'm finished with it guys, so yeah. So next thing what I'm going to do now guys, right now, right about now, is put some, I'm gonna clean this area. I'm gonna put some of the rubbing alcohol, as you can see guys, on this thing. You can see where the voice car is burnt. I don't know if you guys can see it. You can see the discoloration there guys. Yeah, I'm gonna make it look a little better, not just it would prevent it from playing, but you know, you just want it to look nice and clean. And go deep, clean way down inside too. Yeah. Right. Yeah, and maybe here you can see the dusty. So it goes. Right. So yes guys, so now what I'm going to do is do the voice card. No, where is it? Where is that voice? Okay. Okay guys, this thing is heavy. So I already cut these shorter and I scraped these, man. Voice card, I think this voice card is really heavy. I wish I had a scale nearby. I can wait. Alright, so let me tell you what I'm going to do. So this voice card is a winding is you see. Wow. Sorry about that guys. Take it strange. No. Oh, 2.5 inch winding. Alright. So it's 2.5 inch winding guys. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna leave out a little bit over 1/4 inch. I'm gonna check it from the bottom up. Alright, I'm gonna do 1 3/4 inch. Gonna left out, yeah. That would be 1 3/4 would be right here. Yep. So that mount is gonna left outside the space, guys. The rest of it's gonna be inside the speaker. Yep. And this one. The total height of this voice card, guys, is 5.5. So yes. So that's what I'm gonna leave outside of it, guys. I'm gonna leave like about right there. So let me get some shim now. Guys, let's set this into place. Then I'm going to glue it, guys. Oh, that one is thick. Let's see. Let's see. Wow. Not bad at all. Oh man. Still need some more. Still need some more inside there, guys. Still need a bunch in there. I don't want when I put a cone on it, it does do anything, you know. To push it down any further. So that's why I'm trying. Let's see if it's what it's going to do now. What is it going to do now? Everything lined up perfect. Not sure. Hold on. Nope. Move it a little. Yeah, so I need to get this a little. Now guys, when you're putting this down, the voice card also moving. You don't want that to happen. So yeah. See? It's coming up with the thing. So You need to get some thicker shim. Yeah, or you could show that little trick. Put this close here. You could get some little thin strip like these. Little thinner strip like that. Put one there. Put one on this side right over here. Just make sure everything is in line. In line of good, nothing is crossing each other. Right. Right. Alright, so this one is crossing a little. I'll take one of the white ones, which I don't want it to do. And also this one, so right, so something like that anyway. Right. See if I need some marking. Right. Right there is good, guys. Now a little mark on the cone, guys. I found out, where exactly this was. You could look for the impression on here. Yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. That's easy to find where it was. So yeah. Wow. Hear that, guys? It just dropped just now. Look. Right, so everything goes right where you need it. Guys, everything is seated here. And this part, I don't have my CA glue to tack it, guys, so I'm going to epoxy it and leave it to dry for a while. Oh, wow. Oh, yes. So I'm going to have to solder these stencils right now and then, which I didn't plan for, but I just remember my CA glue is on its way. I've got a glue ready. Yes, guys. But this didn't use CA glue here, as I told you from before, guys. It uses the epoxy. So I'm going to epoxy this one and leave it to dry. Right. Yikes. So this part 2 is gonna be really short. Maybe. Ay, 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 ay. Maybe not. We'll see it goes. I'm gonna mix it real thick so guys, dry real fast. Yes guys, there's a trick on when you mix in the epoxy. Even if it's 30 minutes, the longer you mix it for, the end, it's dry real fast. I think the one I'm using is mid cure, so that's 15 minutes epoxy. I think I have 15 minutes, guys. Not 50, 15. This guy, so I'm just wrapping the stencil around there. Right here. Yep. One of them, I can take some clippings. We'll clip this one a bit. Right. Started these stencil, guys. Perfect. Come on. Unplug this. If I can clip off here. Ow, ow, ow. First, guys. Yeah. Everything lined up. Perfect. Yeah, guys. So that's all. Time to run some epoxy. And then I'm gonna do some of the base around there too on the other side. So yeah. Last time I used this, so let's use it again. With my little knife. Yes, guys, they use epoxy for this one, guys. Yeah. Skar just say, yeah, you know, you don't have to go crazy and with the fancy CA glue or anything, guys. Nah, you don't have to do that. Nope. Not required to use a bunch of that thing. You can just use simple epoxy. Wow. So one missing now, where is it? Where's the other one? Other one, this is 30 minutes, guys. This is the brand I'm using. I bought this on eBay. Really good, guys. When this thing dry, it's hard just like that one. You could knock it and hear it, so you know, they're like really solid. So this is the hardener, I think. Yeah, this is the hardener. Sorry guys, this one is really bright outside, so you're gonna get a glare off everything, like, you know, but that's white and stuff like that. Yeah. So you go in here. You could just, you don't have to go crazy at first, guys, but you know, you can go and do a second round on it if you don't satisfy with how it looks. So yeah. So what I was telling you guys to how to mix this, you're going to see what I'm going to do. I'm really gonna go really. So guys, you mix it long enough. Yeah. So long enough. Mm-hmm. Last time I mixed it, the one I was working on, guys, seep through and go down to the voice coil. It's a good thing I catch it in time. So I just wipe it on the voice coil, you know, just take it and lift it and just wipe the rest of it. It's a good thing I didn't move. Like the speaker, you have space under here, you could see it and you could just wipe, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna keep mixing this until it turns white. It's gonna be a white color. It's already white crystal looking, but you know, everything in the middle. It's running off this thing, guys, because it's a lot of epoxy. Oh yeah. that, guys. Going around, going around, going around. So this is what I use right here. Put little more on the cone now, guys. Make it band really tight, guys. So yeah, that's what this thing band after, guys. Can't wait to show you the finished result, guys. Of course, it's really going to look. Come in, sure.
What are you doing?
I'm repairing a speaker. Yeah, repairing the speaker. You know what?
What the?
Alright, no noise, no noise. I'm videoing. I'm recording here. I'm recording.
There's two spiders.
Spiders, yeah, I get them. Alright, guys, give me a minute here. As I said, guys, I'm gonna let it cure for a while. But let me show you what's going on, guys. You see that? Alright, beautiful. So give me a minute. Get back with you guys on this one. Alright. Okay, guys, back again. So, guys, it's gonna take a little longer than I expect to cure. But as you can see, it's curing now. It have like, I would say 10 minutes, but I'm not gonna pause the video that long, guys. So I'm just gonna tell you what I'm going to do next. So next, guys, what I'm going to do, put some glue down here, and we're gonna put these in. You understand? We're gonna take this out, put some glue around this, and and drop it in. It's just gonna be like a drop in now when I'm finished. So that's it. So just look out for the testing video of it, guys. So that's all left, guys, is to do the drop in part of it. Yeah, like doing a drop in kit. That's all they're gonna do. Glue here, and line the screws up because they already lined up, and solder the tensor lead back to the terminal, and that's gonna be it. But just look out for the testing video. That's what you guys should look out for. That's the main part of it, guys. Just the left. The hard part left, guys, I show you all I can. And anybody have questions, just reach out to me and I'll get with you on that. So guys, for now, please stay tuned for part 3 of this where I'm gonna do a testing of it, this speaker, guys. Alright? Enough respect. And cardiac guys out for now. Stay tuned. Part 3 coming up soon.